Kapwing's AI Clipmaker has been completely revamped for 2026, and it is better than ever. From your workspace, simply click the Repurpose button here, or if you're already in the studio, open up our AI tools from the top toolbar. Select Explore, and then search Clip Generator. Once you've opened up the clip generator, all you have to do is upload your footage and describe the type of clips you want. Honestly, it is that simple. Whether you want to make clips from an interview, from a podcast episode, or from a long tutorial, here are 5 tips to extracting the perfect clips. We all know short form content is king right now. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, yada yada yada. But creating that type of content is insanely time consuming. Using Kapwing's AI, you can just tell the chatbot what type of clips you need, you receive them in seconds, and then you can repeat the process. So to avoid spending 3 hours manually trimming and cutting, here's my first tip. Reference specific moments. This is something most people miss out on because they don't realize how specific they could be with their prompts. You can reference general things like find the funniest moments, or you can be super specific and ask for exact quotes from an interview or a podcast. The prompt box is designed to help you find the video clips you actually need, not to auto-generate a bunch of clips that you never even asked for. Tip number 2 is use multiple footage uploads. Cool trick is you can upload several videos and ask the AI to create clips from all of them. Yep. Not everyone knew you could do this, and they were wasting time generating clips one video at a time. And Kapwing can handle audio and video uploads up to 2 hours long and extract clips from multiple uploads at the same time. Tip number 3 is make quick edits. Your clip will generate with subtitles already added, but everything is completely customizable, including the subtitles. This edit button opens up a small window of editing tools so you can make these quick changes without having to enter a full studio with hundreds of irrelevant functions. Make core edits like adding media, overlaying text, tweaking the subtitle style or color, and adding background music. Oh, and if you want the full editing studio experience, just click here. Once you're in the studio, the transcript button is going to be your shortcut to continue editing clips without using a timeline. After clicking it, the transcript for your clip will appear, and as you highlight and delete sections, the corresponding part of the clip will be removed. Voila! And tip number 4, specify an aspect ratio. If you just want to dump a bunch of footage into the editor and click generate, hey, that'll work great, go to the description, get to work. But if you want to optimize the editor, then you're gonna want to include prompts that include aspect ratios. Use this little box here and either describe the platform you're creating clips for, like TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, or enter an aspect ratio format like 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9. Kapwing can handle both, so whatever is easiest for you is totally fine. And finally, tip number 5 is specify a clip length. A lot of AI clip generators just chop up your video into equal segments, which is literally useless. Kapwing, it identifies where topics change, it finds moments that have high engagement potential, and it creates clips intentionally. All the AI needs is a little guidance along the way. So describe the clip length you need, whether that's 3 seconds, 30 seconds, or 3 minutes, and you'll quickly be this AI chatbot's new best friend. So here's the bottom line, if you're making long-form content and you are not repurposing it into smaller clips, you are missing out on views, on reach, and engagement. Look, everything you need to go from raw footage to polished clips is right here, so find that link in the description and go make some clips. Thanks for watching, and see ya!